Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Bluetooth device from your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove your AirPods Pro so that you can actually go ahead and have someone else use it. How do you actually go ahead and remove that Bluetooth device? So in order to do this, what you first need to do is that you want to navigate to where it says System Settings. Next, click on Bluetooth Audio. And then click on your AirPod Pro or whatever Bluetooth device you want to go ahead and remove. Afterwards, just simply click on Remove Device, and then you're going to see a confirmation that says Remove Bluetooth Device. Click on Unpair, and there you have it. You've now gone ahead and removed a Bluetooth device from your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. And in addition to that, if for some reason you don't find your Bluetooth device already listed here, then that means that it's probably already been removed, so no need to worry about it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.